Oh, why hello, it's me, MrSasaki, and today we're doing Long, Long Ago on the violin. Alright, so tutorial, step-by-step walkthrough. Now, Long, Long Ago is song 7 in Suzuki Violin Book 1. We're getting up there, right? And likewise, our form is changing. So we have 4 lines, A, B, C, B. A, B, C, B, okay? So the 4th line and the 2nd line are the same, right? What we need to concern ourselves is lines A, B, and C. Okay, these are the 3 unique lines of music that we have. Let's start with line A. Okay, ready? So I'm going to show you the fingering here while I sing. Here we go. It's going to be A string starting. Ready? And A, 1, 2, 2, 3, E, 1, E, 2, E, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, A. I'm going to pluck it this time. Ready, and A, 1, 2, 2, 3, E, 1, E, 2, E, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, A. Okay, now, let's try it on our shoulders, okay? Thumbs, pointer fingers, regular pizzicato position. Ready, and A, 1, 2, 2, 3, E, 1, E, 2, E, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, A. Okay? Now, line B. Now, line B is a tricky one because it's almost exactly the same as line A, except for the ending. Okay? See if you can tell the difference. Here we go. Line B, singing. A, 1, 2, 2, 3, E, 1, E, 2, E, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, A. Did you catch it? It's like line B got smashed at the end, alright, and smushed in, right? Let's try it with the pizzicato and see if you can hear it again. Ready, and A, 1, 2, 2, 3, E, 1, E, 2, E, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, A. Okay, let's try it on our shoulder. Thumbs, pointer fingers. Ready, go. A, 1, 2, 2, 3, E, 1, E, 2, E, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, A. Now, to hear that contrast, and it's always good to review, let's do line A and B together, okay? Here we go. Ready, go. A, 1, 2, 2, 3, E, 1, E, 2, E, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, A. A, 1, 2, 2, 3, E, 1, E, 2, E, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, A. Okay, now, line C, our last line to learn, okay? So, singing. It's going to be starting on the E string and E, 3, 2, 1. Oh, but we have to hop to D. First time, 1, 1. Then back to A. 3, 2, 1, A. We're going to do that again and echo this time. E, 3, 2, 1. Hop over, 1, 1. Back. 3, 2, 1, A. Okay, I'm going to pluck it this time. Ready, and E, 3, 2, 1. Hop. 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, A. Echo. E, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, A. Woo! Alright, let's try that C up here. Okay, ready, go. E, 3, 2, 1, hop. 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, A. Echo. E, 3, 2, 1, hop. 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, A. Okay. What do you think? Let's try to put it all together now, okay? Lines A, B, C, and just for fun, let's add that B again, okay? Super pizzicato practice. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, 1, 2, 2, 3, E, 1, E, 2, E, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, A. A, 1, 2, 2, 3, E, 1, E, 2, E, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1. 1, A. Ready, go. E, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, A. E, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, A. Last line, B. A, 1, 2, 2, 3, E, 1, E, 2, E, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, A. Okay. Let's try it. If you have to go back and play that again, rewind, figure out how to get those to work smoothly, one after the other, because now we're going to add the bow. All right. So with the bow, we want to start in the middle, okay? And we just want to open and close this elbow like that, okay? Open and close. It's going to be a really smooth song, similar to Go Trant Roadie, okay? Let's sit back a little bit farther here. You can see more. Are you ready? 1, okay, lines A, B, C, B. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, 1, 2, 2, 3, E, 1, E, 2, E, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, A, 1, 2, 2, 3, E, 1, E, 2, E, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, A. Let's do a circle bow. Line C. E, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, A. Echo. E, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1, A. Line B. A, 1, 2, 2, 3, E, 1, E, 2, E, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, A. Okay. This is a tricky one, right? It's kind of a longer song. It takes more focus and endurance to get through. So go back and practice. But if you're feeling strong and ready, the performance playthrough is next. Slow and fast tempos. All right? So if you're ready, I'll see you there. Bye.